What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer. We're back again, guys. It's an exciting night. I worked all day. I usually don't even make a video on the days I work, but today I had to. I had to because of all the exciting bullish momentum that we are experiencing right now as we're speaking, as we're making this YouTube. We are running. We have a lot of bullish momentum that I'm gonna get to the charts and show you. And everything's running. Bitcoin's running. It's a lot of altcoins are getting heavy bets on. So if you want to learn a little bit more about what everyone is investing, join Chart Champions. It's an excellent trading community where everybody just talks about what they're working on and what they see in the market, what's going on. So you ever heard the expression, it takes a village to raise a kid? Well, it takes a Chart Champion community to raise a trader's profits. All right, guys. So it's definitely helps. Cake's doing a major coin burn now. So if you want to see other perspectives and see other things, join Chart Champions. If you want to learn how to trade, join Chart Champions. If you want to be surrounded by excellent traders, join Chart Champions. Well, enough with that. Down to business. Algorand USD chart right here. We are looking at the 1 hour chart. And if anybody that's followed my YouTube channel for a while now sees that green dot that we got on March 8th at 2300 hours, 11 o'clock for my US people. But 11 o'clock, we got the green dot here. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that green dot is something significant that we call a Kobe dot. So a Kobe dot is when a bull run continues running, basically, because it has a green dot printed right under some VWAP power. So it actually makes it shoot. So it gives it good momentum to the upside. Now this right here, that green dot, like right by the VWAP area, right when it's right in the middle, that is the MJ dot. That is the entering into the bull market, basically. Kobe's are continuing the bull run, and MJ is entering to the bull market. So, and the reason we label it that way is because it represents the amount of power and upside that it could have. Either way, it works both ways. You could see a strong sell-off that way, or you could see a strong buy that way. So, 1 hour, super bullish, guys. It's what you want to see. And honestly, that came right after. This is the significant part, because we had a bearish divergence here, and that came right after it. So it rejected the whole bearish trend. Because the only thing to had fear when I was watching this before and making videos on it before was this MACD on the daily that I said we fear that if it continues to go down, it would actually touch the histogram. Let me blow this up for you. It would actually touch the histogram. This is the histogram, guys. All these bars, the greens and the red. And if it touches the histogram, that would have been bad news for us. That would have been a nice push downward. That was a strong sell-off downward. But instead, what you want to see, this is the MJ power right here, where the MACD crosses through the histogram. So, but over here, we got lucky because it didn't touch the histogram. It actually started curving up, and we're about to break out to the upside because this is the daily chart, like I said before, trading around the golden zone, the P zone. You see it right here. That P's hiding right in there. That's the golden zone. That's where it should be trading at. And this is our first resistance line, R1, over here on your pivot point and standards. I have a video that I could show you how to put all these indicators on your platform, on your TradingView platform, so you could go ahead and follow whatever investment you are currently working on. So I'll leave a link for that video up here. And so right here, and then if we get this MACD to cross, which I'm pretty sure we will, that's bullish divergence now on the MACD, and that would be pop over here. And then let's pay attention to what these lines actually are doing over here on the candle chart. Let's take out this EMAs because that's used for scalping. Those are 3 and 6 EMA. It's not really a long-term tool. It's more of a scalping short-term tool. But here we are. You see this purple line hiding behind the candles? You can see it right there. That's the VWAP line. That's where all the money flow is at. So this is your SMA, your simple moving average, part of your Bollinger Bands. Now, when you get your VWAP to cross the SMA, it's a good pop. It's a good pop. Let's back test this so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, VWAP crosses SMA. Look at how large that candle is. VWAP touches the SMA and it crosses back up, large candle. Same thing works on the sell side, guys. VWAP cross, large sell-off. VWAP cross, bullish run. So this is going to play out nicely. Long story short, to summarize it all, these are beautiful charts, heavy bullish momentum behind it, and this is what's going to take us to the moon. Because I'm predicting 60K on Bitcoin, and if that happens, altcoins will follow. So here we go. This is the 2-day. This is what makes me excited. I already explained this wave trend oscillator to you guys, but let me say it one more time. Right here. So these are, I still consider these are MJs because it's pretty low. And look how much VWAP. This yellow section, this yellow shaded waves are VWAP section. Now look at how much power, how much VWAP we have right here. And if we get that green dot right here, that's close enough for me to call it MJ. That's a power play. That's basically what takes Bitcoin and Algorand way up. It takes Bitcoin to 60K and it's going to take Algorand to 180. And that's what I'm calling out. 180 for Algorand, 60K for Bitcoin. So, and honestly, 80, let me show you another chart. Because here, what's our price here? Resistance line 1, $1.71. Now, we have resistance line 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see over here in the last strong pop, we actually made it to resistance 5 over here. That was the top. So let's say that scenario plays out because I do predict a strong, powerful run. So let's say we managed to get all the way up here. What is that price for you guys? If we managed to reach the 5th resistance line. You guys see it? You guys want me to say it? You guys who can't see it, let me know if you can see it. Leave a comment below. But that says right there, $4.04. Is it possible? Does the Green Dot Whisperer believe we could get that? Yes. But on a shorter term, like this is going to take longer to play out to get up there. We're like I say, it's not just going to be a whoop, one big candle. We're going to go up, breathe a little bit, go up, breathe a little bit, and then finally reach our destination of the 5th RSI. But I think we're going to get a lot of beautiful things happening. Regardless, trade with cautious, do your own research, and don't be afraid to take profit, guys. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of a trade. So, and like I said, yeah, we're going to get this last run, and I believe this is going to be our last run. So, because that month chart is still high up there, oversold on the RSI. So don't ignore the facts that are in front of you. Enjoy your profit now. Take your profit now and protect yourself later on and do your research. Green Dot Whisperer here for the Algo community. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. And let's keep making this money. Stay blessed.